We as the women reps of the 47 counties have pushed and insisted we have to make sure the girl child remains in school through thick and thin. And that is why in 2024-2025, in our budget, we passed a budget of 947 million that will buy sanitary towels to the entire girls from our schools. And I should say, we were not so happy because after pushing and knowing it is taking so long, within a duration of 7 months, we realized that even the sanitary towels had not been procured. And that is where hell broke loose, and we stormed into the offices and made sure that the process started. Unfortunately, they told us 477 million had been used to pay the pending bills, meaning that around only 440 something was used to buy the current sanitary, showing that if all the bills were cleared, this financial year, we still have the budget, and we are real fighting. Apart from the girl child, what is extra goes to support our boy child, because we now have boys, and they can also benefit, even if it means just getting one, what do you call them, boxers. We are working hard to make sure they get something, because our boy child matters also. At the end of the day, we know the girls will need the boys when the time is right. And the very matter, because in Machakos County, we are one of the counties that are leading with high teenage pregnancy. It is very disturbing because I know in Mwala sub-county is leading. I should have checked with Machakos sub-county. I'll not say I checked, but I want to check with you also, because these young ones are looking at these matters like it's from the moon. Those are news from the moon, but it is reality. That is why we speak about it.
Money that has been need, a lot of have the quality work and desires to do better and better every time. So much for making us proud. Keep it up, and I'm sure on the other side, now this is very serious. When you find Mweshimi, it is communicating something. You need to get this one from us. It means if you joke around with, they are going to spoil your life. They are going to spoil your